Here we go, we gonna send this one out to the old school. All these motherfuckers in the Bronx and Brooklyn and Staten Island, Queens, and all the motherfuckers that laid it down, the foundation, you know what I'm saying? Number love for the old school, that's what we gonna do this one for, you feel me? Kangos and DVDs and shit. Remember popping and locking and Curtis Blow, the name belts, and Scotland rocked the Super Hole back in Latin Quarter. When Slick Rick was spitting Lottie Dottie, came in the hoochies at the neighborhood block parties. I remember break dancing the Melly Mel, Jekyll and Hyde LL when he rocked the bells. Forget the TV, I'd rather hit the streets and do graffiti. Be careful, don't let the transit cops see me. Ain't nothing like the old school. Nothing like the old school. Yeah. It ain't nothing like the old school.
Yeah. Yo, Quest, you killing them on the beat, cousin. Let these motherfuckers know. Yeah. See, I always have respect, cause I always talk facts. The 38 and 50 caliber Hawk Black. I always left with nothing, but I always brought back. I always been a hustler, I polyed off that, yeah. Y'all don't wanna go to work with the boy. It's only 2 words that describe me, search and destroy. I don't think you wanna get murked by the boy. My shit is military, y'all's just like a nursery toy. It's hurting you boys. My team ain't even hungry, we famished. I murder everybody, fuck collateral damage. I'm animal savage, with Hannibal's habits. I mangle your cabbage. I walked into the parish and I strangled the faggots. I hang with the baddest. Brothers put their trust into Jesus. Run with brothers who 40 guzzlers, Islamic extremists. Ugly and ignorant is how they perceive us. I don't care, I'm trying to deal with my personal demons. Yeah.
Still on the streets with my peeps so deep. We threw a block party for my man going up creek. To do is 2 to 4. Niggas show love from all around the board. Peace, Lord. Sony Handycam on record. Pop a bottle. Cause when you come home, we still got it on. We can watch the tape, playback, and just zone. Film all the bitches. On the benches with ill and stenches. We blocked the streets off. Only crew cars could enter. Music was loud and it was crowded. Barbecue wings, we fed the fiends. Gamble in the back. Killer shouted. And Frank tried to stop the bank. Lost about what a rollie course, guzzle his drink and stag it off. He's a big wheel, used to sling krill, now he on the hill. Couldn't take losing his cash and I could feel something in the air, yeah. Frank returned Pierre, a gunslinger who niggas hadn't seen in a year. I usually be holding, especially this type of weekend, and everyone except for me had started reaching. They had gats in each other's faces, with kids and grandmothers around. Frank's only concern was his papers. My man Killer let off, half of them fake niggas jet off. Police blitz quick, waiting for that to set off, running the static. It got me mad cause they a bunch of faggots. Police roll in hot pursuit, trying to stop the loot. Nigga fuck Jay, cop and shoot.